Heading into Walmart to pick up a few things. Yippee dippee yippee yay. Thank you. Got a list. I go get water. Take a shortcut. There are no shortcuts in Walmart, okay? No. Totally come shopping on an empty stomach. Don't do that. Look good. Cool. Got to $3.72. Why not? want to try. Got one for the husband. Okay, you got me 2 apples, not on the list, but did it anyway. Lemon pepper chicken. Looks delish. Okay, we leave at Walmart. Now we got to put it all in there. Here's the receipt. $99.59. 4 items. Was impulse buying because I have not ate today. The only thing I took in is my collagen and my Miralax. Matter of fact, I haven't had no coffee today. That's right. That's right. Me, no coffee, no food. Out here shopping. I think I did very well. McDonald's right behind me. I ain't going there. Don't need to go there because we got lemon pepper chicken and salad. So I'm having lemon pepper chicken salad when I get home. I just gotta prep it, put it together, and boom. It's windy. Highly windy. Always put my cart back. Oh, okay, I'm gonna need Tylenol when I get home. I hope I make it home before bottom lets out of the clouds. Okay, bye. Hope this was fun for you. I thought I was gonna make it home before it started raining, but guess what? No, I'll be carrying that in the rain, putting it in the house. So much fun. Wanna come help? I'm just joking. It's coming down harder right now. Looks like I'm gonna be sitting in my truck until it passes over to carry the groceries in. Wow. Alright, well. Looks like I'll just be waiting because I'm not going to get soaked taking groceries in. Wow. A little ride along, that's what we could call this. Thanks for joining me.